Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger at my own blog, My Little World of Makeup. Please check the description box for a link to my blog, my social media handles and also a link to my very first video which I uploaded some time back. So thank you to everyone who watched that video, liked, commented and subscribed and motivated me in some way or the other. So I will try to learn about editing and all the new ways of making videos as I journey along in this YouTube world. For now, I just want to keep it short and simple and share whatever I feel like I've been doing on my blog for over 4 years now. So honestly, after making the first video, I was really struggling with ideas as to what should I film next. I mean, writing a blog post is very easy, but YouTube video is something else. You need to get dressed up, you need to have the perfect lighting, the sound should be okay, and all that jazz. So anyways, I was struggling and I also mentioned it on my social media that I filmed a video and there were a lot of background noises, so I did not want to just put it for the heck of it. So finally I'm here with this video, and today's video is going to be a Born Pretty store makeup brushes haul. I'm also going to tell you about Born Pretty store and my experience with them. If you're following me on my blog for a long time, you would know I have featured many of their products. So if you wish to know more about the brushes I got and the website in general, please keep on watching. Okay, so let me start off by saying that Born Pretty Store is an online website based in Hong Kong. They operate from there, and the USP of this website is free worldwide shipping. Now, free shipping in India is like a 50% discount in the market, right? I mean, we always lust for products which are not available in India, and this was one of its kind websites. So they have a lot of cute stuff. They have jewelry, then they have makeup, earrings, phone cases, and selfie sticks, and so many things. I mean, you name it. And they're also known for their nail art. So if you're a nail art junkie, you should definitely check them out. Products are very inexpensive. Like if you go to the market, you won't get at this price. So let me talk about the shipping part. So whenever you order from them or when the product is sent to us, it usually takes around 3 weeks to reach us, so that's not a lot of time, isn't it? So one thing I like about Born Pretty store is their packaging. The way they package the stuff is really good. Rarely there has been a day when something has come broken or shattered or anything like that. So I really say that that is one of their main USP of the website. So most of the brands are Chinese. They do not have like any branded stuff, and some of the products are from their own line Born Pretty store. So yes, they have a lot of stuff, and whatever I have reviewed before on my blog, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check that out as well. So without rambling further, let me show you what makeup brushes I have. Before I show you these makeup brushes, I would like to say that some of them may be dupes of the original brands. So in no way I am saying that you shouldn't buy the original brushes, but if you are from India, you would know makeup brushes are very expensive. And lately there have been a lot of Chinese websites that do sell makeup brushes or makeup whatever. Well, that's a personal choice, to be honest. Like if I find a dupe, I wouldn't mind using it because everybody can't afford $1,000 lipstick or $1,000 makeup brush. So yeah, that's that. So the first set that I will show you will look similar or familiar to you, and here it is. So if you look at this brush set closely, you would relate to the Real Techniques makeup brush set, isn't it? So this is a set of 8 makeup brushes. Let me have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, 8 makeup brushes, and the cost of this is $13.71. So this is US dollars, so it's pretty cheap for us, isn't it? So it came in this packet like that, and let me go through the brushes quickly one by one. I have already used one or two of their brushes. So the very first thing that you would notice is they look exactly the same like Real Techniques brushes. They're super soft and there is no shading at all. So I'll just quickly show you the brushes that I have. I'll start with the biggest one. Now if you see this brush, it will remind you of the Real Techniques puffer brush. So it's quite dense and quite small, but still good enough to use it as a powder brush, foundation brush, use it with your BB cream, you name it. So the handle looks and the body, everything looks perfect. There is nothing like loose or nothing is coming off and no scratches on it, which is a very good thing. The next brush I have is like this dome shaped brush, and it's quite pinched out here, so I think this will be perfect for using powder under the eyes, concealer and stuff. The next one is very similar to the last one I showed you, but this is more like a dome shape. I think this will be perfect for applying highlighter. You know, highlighter now it's so much in trend, so this brush would be perfect for that. The next one is similar to the first buffer brush that I showed you, and this is more domed, and this will be perfect for applying blush, and you could also use it for powder on the face. I think I really like this one as a blush brush. The next brush is interesting, like you can see the shape of it. So they say that you could use this as foundation brush. I think you can, but you would need to use this kind of motion. You cannot go like that, because then that will play with the hair on your face and it will not look great. So I think this would work for foundation, but the way I would like to use it, and considering the shape of it, I would like to use it for concealer and for packing powder under the eyes, like you know, the baking technique and stuff. So yeah, I've not tried it, so in case if I do, I'll keep you updated on my social media. Do follow me there. I do share a lot of snaps and pictures on a regular basis. Now this brush can also be called a face pack brush. Ideally they say that this is the foundation brush. I hate these kind of brushes because I have a lot of open pores on the face, so I need a buffer brush. This brush does nothing for me. So what I do is I take the foundation or BB cream, I dot it on my face using this, or and then I buff it with my that normal buffer brush that I have, or any other brush I would have. You can use this for face pack as well, and this brush can also work for those who don't have pores on their face. So the way you use it is you use it in a downward motion and blend it nicely so that everything looks seamless. This brush that I have is perfect for concealer. It's super soft, and I think it's a great job of applying concealer. I have used this one and I really like it. You can also use it to powder your under eyes. Last one is this small dome shape brush. You can use this to blend the crease color if you have large eyelids, and you can also use it for highlighter, like on the bridge of your nose. So yeah, so all these brushes are basically face brushes, and you can use them on different parts of your face. There's nothing much for the eyes, although these these two small brushes, you could use them on your eyelid for like applying eyeshadow and stuff. The second brush set I have is a set of 4 brushes, and they are only meant for the eyes, and they are priced at $4.35. So this is how they look like, and they're really cute. Okay, the first thing that you will notice if you order this one, it's written Mange out here. So now it's a Chinese, it's made in a Chinese factory obviously, and it's coming from Hong Kong. So what would you expect? So I think they have in black as well. So let me quickly show you the brushes that I have. So this one is like a stipple brush, but for the eyes. You could use it to stipple your concealer. You can also use it over your upper eyelid. You can use it around the mouth. So I like this one. The second one is similar to the first one. It's just that it's more angular. Like if you compare these two, like this one is more angular. So this is again good for concealer and for a host of things on the face as well, like under next to your nose, and you can use it to apply highlighter under your brow bone. Third one is a dome shaped brush, and this is the perfect brush for blending your crease color. It's super soft, and there is no shading. I have used this one. The last brush is really interesting, and I have been looking for a brush like this from ages. As you can tell, it's a pencil brush. So I have another pencil brush as well. It's from a Chinese company again, but it is more longer. This one is more shorter and it's quite firm. So as you know, smoky eye trend, as you know that the smoky eye trend has been in fashion from such a long time. So I usually use a kajal or an eyeliner on my upper lash line and lower lash line, and I smoke it out using this brush. If you are a fan of smoky eyes, if you like smudging your kohl, this is the best brush to go for. Can you see that? And it's pink in color. What more would you like? So overall, this brush set is a winner for me for $4.35. This is what you get, and I'm very happy with this brush set. No complaints at all. The last brush I would like to show you is something I've already reviewed on my blog, and it's a fan brush. Can you see that? So it comes in this long black handle, and it's pinched out here, and the bristles are dispersed well, and there is it's like a black, or a not black, it's brown. I think it shows up brown on the camera, so it's like brown bristles and it has a white edge to it. Now I am not a huge highlighter fan. This brush works for me. You can pick up your highlighter and apply it out here. I mean, you get the thicker ones also. It's all based on personal preference, but the main part that I forgot to tell you, and the price of this brush is only 99 cents. So for 99 cents, what can you expect? So which is around 60 to 70 rupees. So I have used it. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, and it also comes with that special holder out here, so that it does not disperse the brushes. You can carry it while traveling. Unfortunately, I threw it out. So yes, I love this brush, and I also love all the other brushes I've shown you. So I hope you guys like this review. I hope you like the brushes I showed you. Each brush with their links will be mentioned in the bottom bar, and if you would like to get an extra 10% discount, you can use my code HATT10. I'll also mention that in the description. So overall, I think these brushes are great. This website is amazing. I have used a lot of their stuff, and they have not this is not a sponsored post. They don't pay me to talk about them, but I think it is a really amazing website, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Give this video a big like, and yeah, share it among your friends who would find it helpful. So any requests, anything you would like me to review, or something different you would like me to do, please leave that in the comment section as well. So enough for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.